We not go around and talk about Bounty Killer my man and Beenie man all them. Something that went since Bounty Killer my man. When see me never know say Bounty all this time me there some never know say Bounty Killer my man.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
What again, Unstoppable family? Welcome back to another Unstoppable TV video. Now, people, that Empress you saw in the beginning of this video right here, she is Beenie Man's new boo. Now, most of you might have seen videos and pictures making the rounds on social media for the past couple of days, and yeah, it went viral. Everybody talk about Beenie and him new girl. Well, the reason why we're making this video right now is because she spoke out responding to some voice notes that has been circulating on social media implicating Beenie Man in not some nice things. This right here is one of the voice notes. Take a listen.
Sex in the city and you and I down there. And then you come up here and I look for my daughter, for come intimidate my daughter. I'm going like it in my daughter. You're a wicked. Yeah, you're a wicked. I don't know, do you know? I want me to tell you, you know, and you at any day me will Camille. You know, I open can defend it, you know. If any day me all you know, you better not make me all you know. I hope you can defend it too, you know. Cause you see you don't have nothing about you, you don't have no loyalty, nothing about you. And you are nobody in a secret for me coming. My daughter me in the foolishness. But you see, any day you think she'll go to Jamaica with you, and watch and see her going to do the tour now. I bet you she see Jamaica and can't go down there. May I tell you something, take my mother dead left money, may I show you and Camille say, and somebody wrong you are play with. After me put out my light, if you when you're in your struggles and your bad things and things that happen to you, and me one of your back anytime people are chat you and me there for you. I know you have the damn cheek for a girl like you want to intimidate my daughter. You're bright, you're bright. But any day I will, anytime I anything I keep in England and you are now in there, I'm going to come and don't know no. And anytime when I feel like you can have your security, you can have your brother, you can have anybody, I'm not afraid of nobody. You being him, I'm not afraid of you, Moses, Anthony Davis. I'm not afraid of none of them. I'm going to take it to a different level. Because when they make me drive for my mother money, man, I'm going to cry shame.
So that voice note went out, and there is more to it which you will get to hear further on in the video. Well, Camille spoke out, and Camille is explaining why this person is so bitter against she and Beenie Man, because she say, yo, she don't want nobody no explanation, but yo, she a come out because some vloggers on social media have spread all kind of, you know, misinformation, and she have to come out and clear up the thing. And she also state that she's going to be filing some lawsuits against the lady in the voice note and some vloggers. So people, let's take a listen to what Camille has to say right here. Zid, make we do it.
A lot of people weren't aware that Kaka and I had apart from each other. Right? Because I'm not somebody that would come and to literally speak these things. And I'm sure we all saw what had occurred previously on live, and it just didn't go well since then. However, that's not what I'm talking about today. I'm literally discussing the slander from the YouTube bloggers that has been coming from this particular person, which is a sister-in-law to Moses. She's the one that actually been sending all these, being malicious, vindictive, painting a picture, a bad picture of me. Things that this woman don't know of me. This woman is just being jealous. See that woman here? I'm going to make her hear something. She and Moses was our friends. I've known this woman to be a friend of Moses over 20 years now. Since the first time I met Moses, I've known her to be friends with Moses. However, it happens that she got married to Moses' brother. Now Moses, her daughter had now started to have a relationship with Moses. I don't even think it's a relationship, but whatever, she started to have a fling with him and decided to use pregnancy as a lot of women always do. Use pregnancy for try to get closer to the individual. But the only thing, the pregnancy was a myth. Me no business with that, because at the end of the day, that was Moses and I weren't involved. We weren't intimately involved until just now, until recently. The problem this woman have, is because she and Moses has been friends for all this time. Yes, Moses, the reason why myself and Moses, a lot of people aren't aware that Moses and I have known each other for so long, is because I actually went and were friends with Bounty Killer like 7 years after I met Moses. I know Moses before even my partner, my husband, I've known Moses from a childhood days, from Craigtown, Jonestown, because at Jonestown me come from Crook Street, and Moses from Craigtown. So I've known Moses from then. People don't know this. This woman is sending all these things around and trying to make it seem like my ex-husband and Moses are friends. She's the one behind this. The woman is the one. She are the woman and her daughter behind them something here. Me not trouble nobody. When I came into the relationship with Moses, I know my place, my boundary. And never once would have told Moses that him and this woman, I have no reason to would have any issue with their friendship. Until now, what she's been doing. Because the issue is with Moses and her daughter. Moses and whatever the situation is, he might have forgot to talk about them. That's you understand? But at the same time, the problem is occurring from the woman daughter. If somebody don't want your daughter, you get it, man. And get going. And you can't, if somebody is not interested to have a relationship, you're not pregnant. The girl I hear, she's going around telling people she's not pregnant. You can't pregnant one time, you're sending instruction from a pregnancy test to the man. And telling the man that's result. Instruction that has the different instruction telling you what does the lines mean from what doesn't, what reads from what the reading is reading. This is how naive the situation is. This woman has been stalking, her and her daughter has been stalking, calling up my name, slandering me for literally over a month. It's about 2 months this has been happening. I've never said anything. Until now, what she's actually gone and done with these YouTube bloggers. And there's a specific blogger that she's actually targeted, which is King Mix-Up. Now, he's now has actually been discriminating me to the fullest. Just because this woman has her vindictive feelings towards whatever situation. Moses and the woman was friend, But Moses and the woman was friend. Moses never have a problem with the woman. Moses just want to know say him just go and break the daughter. Because the daughter is going around with all these crazy stuff in her head and talking about him and her habit and the pregnancy that she's claiming she has. The belly she claims she has right now. That's not my business either, Because I don't care what Moses and his affiliates had in the past. Now, I put up about toxic. These are the toxic people I'm talking about. When them jump and take my run with whatever I've written, and they've gone all over social media and trying to instigate other issues and fabricating other lies. This is the toxic I was talking about. Nobody knew what's been going on. This woman called his phone morning, noon, night for the past month and odd 2 months non-stop. And everybody know that woman here. Know that she look at everybody feeling the same thing from her. I understand say you're upset. Because right now you're not hearing from him. Because I talk to you too and you tell me. Remember say you talk to me and tell me about the deadlift money there, you know. Remember you tell me about the deadlift money that you and your daughter fighting over, you know. Where you and your daughter fight over. In a court right now. For your mother deadlift money. All of a sudden, all of this. You tell me say I'm not share the problem. You tell me say you not busy with she, I should say. Remember, you tell me say you're not responsible for your daughter, you know. You're not business with she. Because she shouldn't got peck Beenie Man in the first place. Because remember, say, it's his niece. Remember, say, I'm niece-in-law. It's your ex-husband. Him sadly passed away. Beenie Man, brother, you did marry to. For a short period of time. Remember, say, him and Beenie Man is brother. And she take your brother-in-law. You understand? When you not hear my mouth, me no need to talk to you, woman. You 62-year-old. 62-year-old with all those filth coming out of your mouth. And you're going away stalking. You stalk us on the phone. You not have enough. For 2 months now you stalk with. 2 months you've been stalking us. The past 2 months you're stalking us and you don't get enough of it. You're stalking. You're gone to social media now because you see. Me now come in on a tracing, no curse and all of them. Something they will style you up and class you up, you know. Because me can do that. Me can do that. But me no need to do that. Because you see, this has gone further from where it is right now. It's gone beyond. And you has now gotten not only yourself, because you've incriminated yourself, lady. This is to show how dunce you are. You've been incriminating yourself all this time. I haven't said anything. I just allow you to do all the stuff that you're doing and send all your threats. Do all your malicious acts. And I just gather the information. I'm in no trouble, yo. I'm in no trouble, yo. You should not do this to me. I never trouble you. We get the message, them, the email, those voice notes that me hear a circle. I'm going to make you hear it. Oh, disrespectful the woman. Someone hear it already, but I'm going to let you hear it. Oh, disrespectful this woman has been. Oh, she's sending messages to somebody that is supposed to be our friend / previous brother-in-law. Me not supposed to inna this. Me not supposed to inna this. A picture of them where the woman say a data cause the picture of them will upload. One little day, you know. One little day me get. One little birthday. Little flowers. Little bright roses will look bright. And the man a feed me. And them little something. Just one little digga birthday. I'm a birthday. I know nothing. I know nothing. I want little birthday, little roses, and the man I say happy birthday. Anybody can, and nothing that anybody can say that. Them can't say it today and I mean it tomorrow. I saw it go. I know nothing. So we are take it so serious for lady. We no go, no take, no collage, no mix up all type of things from the wappy kill, fill up and put all type of things together. It's not a problem to me. We no put all type of video, record this, no send them go. All type of flowers are show. funeral flowers and all them things. Them not have a problem with not things. Will not trouble me for don't trouble me, man. Don't trouble my man. A long time and I do this to me, man, from my birthday. To me put up a little something them, man. Come on, man, lady, man. You ring me down, you ring me. You disrespect, you send disrespect and threat to my mother. Violation. I come tell my mother, say, you go chat me up. Oh, man. Oh, you done so? Why not stop incriminate yourself? You walk and send to all the blogger bust you up. Me gonna make you hear out when the blogger ball out her name and talk about her daughter when time them a tell them say, them telling them say, for cover them face. Me gonna make you hear the something them. When King mix up, bust them up. Cause him get the blog, him get them sending the things them to the man so much. Them bombard the man turn idiot. The man turn idiot and I thought be confusing, rigmarole, something mix up, something foolishness. The way all them bombard and she's like that because she's been a stalker.
You little nasty, crowbait, blood, dirty soap, keep that girl lick up to get and you kiss her with all the consumption and all the man them was in our blood mode. The germs, you know the same fucking cheek, you bastard. Them a wait for you and down at Jamaica. I mean, you don't see how them a wait for you in Jamaica. You better ask for residents in England because them a wait for you in Jamaica. Them a wait for you and down at Jamaica. Them a wait for you in Jamaica. Wait till dog eat you and I supper down at that. An ambition. After you calculate your friend, you're going to take her again. Take the whole toilet where you can have a flush and digest. The people that used to tell me say you're disgusting and you're lying with you, but we never believe them. You have to shit there Jamaica. When our husband ever come down there with sex in the city and you and I down there, and then you come up here and I look for my daughter for coming intimidate. I don't know. You know, I want to tell you, you at any day me will tell me, you know, I will put a different, you know. If any day me all you know. You better not make me all I know.
She is the one that has been behind sending around all these malicious stuff and all those things to the bloggers, especially the man named King Mix Up. I hear everything. I listen to some of them. I knew it's coming from, I know it's come from her. Me and Moses has been perfectly fine. We're happy. We're just trying to grow our relationship. Kaka and I are not together. We haven't been together for a long time, for over a year, 2 years. I've been single. I can date whoever I want. Kaka don't have a problem, and Kaka has no problem. I have where I can tag what my husband has to say, my ex-husband has to say about this whole situation. My ex-husband just want me to be happy. You're calling up my ex-husband name and talk about Kaka and Moses are friends. Acquaintance are friends. You just have this one picture I send round with Moses and Kaka in Sex in the City. When me and Kaka did their Jamaica about 4 years ago. And this picture when Moses into the party. That's the picture you have. I send round to the bloggers them say Kaka and the man is friend. You even say it into these voice notes about me and him a friend. She say Kaka and him a friend. Which part Kaka and Moses are friend? The 20 years when me and Kaka was together for. I never ever one day go with Kaka, go meet Beenie Man nowhere. Or I've never ever heard Kaka calling Beenie Man's phone, or I've never heard Beenie Man calling Kaka's phone, or I've never heard Kaka any contact with this man unless if we were to bump into each other, if they were to bump in each other out. That's affiliates. That's an acquaintance. I don't understand why you're trying this narrative. You're trying to change this, make this whole narrative seems as if this man and this man were friends and having the whole world. But you get what you want. That's what you're after. You got it. So I hope you can deal with the next. You see that dead left money that you're talking about. So you're gonna use the dead left money. You see that dead left money. I hope you get it in time when the lawsuit slap you in your face. Yeah? I hope you get it in time. Because, lady, in case your daughter never advised you well, all these things you're doing, you incriminated yourself. Yeah? When I not hear the whole heap of nastiness about me and the people that I walk, I talk about all type of man and all of the some with this bitch or with this woman I walk and I spread this narrative she walk and I try to spread and this the picture she try to paint upon me. And I never say nothing no go so. The whole on run with it. Don't? On run with it. We not go around and talk about bounty killer my man and being my Allen. Something that went since bounty killer my man. When see me never know say bounty all this time me there so me never know say bounty killer my man. Me just as things know me know say killer my man. All of a sudden killer becomes my man. Only never tell me this long time. Only never tell me this long time. Even if you no want to say him a grind me. Me never know say me and him in that big position. Me have that big position when me was bounty killer woman. Where Beenie man take a bounty killer girl. Woman, me never know that. Me just know this now. Woman, because you are sending around them narrative there. You. Killer is a man, Killer my virgin. Killer my, me will always respect Killer and Killer likewise myself will respect me and none of them can stop me from me and Killer from talk. As Killer and me will always be friends. We respect each other. We not you, lady, we walk and do this, cannot stop no form of friendship from me and Bounty Killer. You're too enough. You walk and spread all type of things to the bloggers them. And look how you get everybody in a problem. You and them. Come have all of the evidence them. See the same king mix up, but you don't want to play the whole of it. See the same king mix up, I call up your name. Call up Debbie. Where your name I do this, and the whole topic isn't about no Debbie. The topic is about me. One piece of dirtiness, people sending voicemail, WhatsApp. And I done me a call all type of man name, dead man name, when me not know, when me never talk to yet. But you get it, I'm glad you have your field there. I hope you can deal with the next step. That me come talk about. That me not have nothing else to say. Me and Moses just continue. The next stories about how me and Moses, wherever, how long we know each other, that is our next topic. But another me come talk about. And me no response who want talk, who don't want talk, and who want that not have nothing to do with me. Me I talk because of me. At the end of the day, them did a try to hurt, but them never know say the God when me serve would have turn it right back around upon them. Them try and try, them should have just try it and leave it. Them never know did I turn back upon them. I'ma tell you, see you, woman. You see you, woman, you. Me not have nothing more to say to you. Me not have nothing more to say to you, woman. Till when time anything reach you from the government, from the law, at them time there, me and Yaga in a make a fight right there, so. Alright.
Well, alright, there you go, people. Camille has said her piece. More on the talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about this whole thing right here. Camille says she go file lawsuit against the woman and some vloggers where I spread misinformation upon her name. More of you want to know if you say down below in the comment section. Zane, watch ya. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.